How to retrieve PIN on Afrinvest 2.0 app. If you are having issue with your PIN, maybe you lost your phone, you change your phone, or you change your device and you could not remember the PIN that you used while you were formerly using your app. In this video, I will be explaining in details and showing us the step-by-step way of how to go about it. To answer this person's question on my channel that says, please, how can I recover my withdrawal PIN on Afrinvest 2.0? I can't remember it again. Thanks. So I'll be going deep into it right away. Stay tuned, like this video, and don't forget to share to family and friends. Also, if you have any question, feel free to drop your question in the comment section and turn on your notification bell so as to get notified when I answer your question. Also, let's go straight into it. How to retrieve your PIN on Afrinvest. All you need to do is to log into your app. Sign in to your app. Once you log in successfully like this, come down to this upper part where you have your picture at the left hand side of your phone. Click on this your icon. It will take you down to this particular interface where you are going to see your account details. You see your profile, your account type, you change password, change PIN, reset PIN. So what you need to do is to click on reset PIN. Come down here and click on reset PIN. It will load up and open this interface for you where you see to continue with your PIN update, enter your current PIN. So it says you should enter your password. The password you are using to log into your app is what you are being asked to enter here. Type that particular password here. Then you come down here and click on next. Give it time to load up. An OTP will be sent to the email that you use. You can see I've received the OTP. So what you need to do is to go to your email. Let's go to our email. You can see Afrinvest one-time password has already been sent. This is it. You click on it like this. You copy it and come and paste it here. And paste. Then you click on next. Then it will open for you to create new PIN. So right now, what you need to do is to input that 4-digit PIN that you will not forget. 4-digit number that you know you cannot forget. You input it here and click on next. Click here and input that number. Then you come down to this place and click on next. Here, it will ask you to reconfirm that same PIN again. The PIN you entered earlier, you re-enter it again for confirmation purpose. Then you click on update PIN. You can see, give it time and you are going to see PIN updated successfully. Your PIN has been updated successfully. So right now, the new PIN you just imputed, that you just set, is what you will be using whenever you want to perform any kind of transaction on your Afrinvest 2.0. I hope you find value in this. If you do, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.